Hi, today we're going to make some watermelon popsicle treats. You will want to use a seedless watermelon for this. Thoroughly wash your watermelon and dry it. Then cut your watermelon into sections. After you have cut your watermelon into sections, begin to remove the watermelon from the rind. Next, you want to place your watermelon in your food processor, or a blender will work as well. I'm using my Ninja blender. After placing your watermelon in your food processor or your Ninja blender, don't worry about adding any water. Just slightly pulse your watermelon until the juices contained inside the watermelon begin to break down. Repeat this process until you have a fine liquid. Depending on the size of your watermelon, you may have to repeat this process several times until all of your watermelon is reduced. If you tried this watermelon treat, leave a comment in the description and let us know what you think. After you have reduced all of your watermelon, it's time to place your watermelon inside of the molds. And then remember to place your popsicle sticks inside of the mold. I actually forgot this step and had to place them after they had frozen about 1 to 2 hours. Allow your popsicles to freeze for 4 to 8 hours and enjoy. If you're finding value in this content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.